Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily adjust a single shelf in a big wire shelving system like this. Let's jump into it. Okay, you see I've got my shelf here. I've put it in my closet, I've taken the doors off, and I need to move just this shelf. I need to move it up by about 1 inch so I can fit a small safe up here, my media safe that I just bought. And rather than taking everything off and flipping the shelf over and then knocking everything out and adjusting it, I'm going to show you an easy way to do just a single shelf. All you need is a hammer and then a ratchet strap. You don't necessarily need to have the ratchet strap, but it makes it a lot easier if you do have a ratchet strap so you can keep adjusting the tension. You could use rope, or I guess you could just have somebody come in and hold it, but I'm going to show you how to do it this way. Okay, so to get this started, I'm going to take this strap and pass it all the way around the shelf I want to adjust, roughly in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle, but the more centered it is, the better. Bring that up to about there. And then I'm going to run it up and around this. There we go, just like that. Now, I'm going to take this, which you can see I've modified, and bring that around here, choke that through. And now I'm just going to put some tension on it. Okay, so a little snug, definitely taut. And now I'm going to hit each corner with a hammer and loosen the connection here. Something important to note here is you will have seen as I've loosened each corner and knocked it, it's tightened another corner. And that's why this system is important, because you can keep applying tension. You can see this side is still completely free over here, but this side's not. This has actually gotten a little tighter, and this is somewhere in the middle. So now that I've tightened a little more, knock that, knock that. And now you can see this side has slid down just a little bit, not a ton, but a little bit. So lift a little bit more. Now this side's a little tighter. There we go, now that's out. And this side is almost free. Boom, there it is. So now it's nice and free. So I want to elevate this a little bit more here. Get it out of the way. Because I need to move these up. Let's see, I think I just need to go 1 click to achieve my goal. Okay, that should do it because I just need clearance of 16 1/4 inch, and I've got 16.5. So that should be good. Now I'll release this, let this come down slowly, release as slowly as I can. Okay, set each corner. And there it is. See how the space is looking here. Nice, 16.5. So now I'll see if I can get my media safe up here and make sure it fits. Ooh, ah. Ooh, barely. Oh, barely, but it fits. Okay, nice. Nice. There we go. Okay. Awesome. Okay, well, there it is. All right, there you have it. That's how you adjust just a single shelf in one of these big wire shelving systems. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.